Ifeoluwa Dare Johnson, and I'm the founder and CEO at Health Tracker. I launched Health Tracker a few years ago because we wanted to focus on early diagnosis. But it didn't take us too long to realize that women were spending 25% more time in poor health than men. Unfortunately, women's health has been underfunded, underestimated, and under-researched for so long. And women were complaining that their symptoms were being dismissed by their doctors and medical professionals. This changed the way we thought about our business at Health Tracker, because we know that from a young age, as early as 10 years old when women start menstruating, to later in life when women go through menopause, it just feels like women can never get a break when it comes to their health. And we also know that this affects women's health, affect the way women show up at work. This affects the way women show up at their businesses, for their family, for their children, for their partner. So when we're talking about women's health, we're talking about economic empowerment. In fact, there is the direct correlation between investing in women's health and economic growth of a nation. And to be clear, there's a difference between the economic empowerment of a woman and women's economic power. Because when you give a woman empowerment, you give her access. But when she has power, she has a voice, she has a choice. And most of the time we treat women's economic empowerment like it's charity, but it's not. When you empower a woman, you're empowering the entire nation. In women's health, when you invest just $1 in women's health, the ROI on that investment is $4. When you invest in women's health, you are ensuring that that woman show up at work. You're ensuring that that woman's business thrive. You're ensuring that our children goes to school. When we're saying and advocating for women to sit at the table, to own their own money, to have their power, it's because we know they will get the better healthcare. We know that that gender gap in terms of healthcare can get closed easily. It means that, they have access to quick diagnosis and can get quickly back to work, back to their businesses, back to raising the children, back to supporting their partners, and then the economy of that nation grows. So women's economic power is about systemic change that allows the woman to be in control, to be able to make a choice about her body, about her life, and live a healthier lives. So our work at Health Tracker perfectly aligns to this campaign by Bella and Niger and She Tank, and we're rooting and hoping that more women get the money that gives them the power to make systemic changes that changes the entire world.